Today we're going to be machining 4140 cold roll steel. We're going to be using a quick turn 250 Mazak lathe. The insert is a CNMG RP5 WPP 10G. Recommended speeds and feeds by the manufacturer for this material is 646 surface foot with 11 thou rev per minute. And the max depth of cut is 118 thousandths. We're expecting to achieve 30% reduction in cycle time while maintaining the tool life. The finished result, we took a 2-inch round bar and turned it down to 3/4 of an inch at 2,200 surface foot, 20 thou rev per minute chip load, and 118 thou depth of cut. We also did not do a finish pass on this. This was just simply a roughing test.